guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY origami tissue box. Okay, so these are things which you would need. You would need 3 papers of the same color. They should be 10 into 10 centimeter, a pencil and 2 small eyes which you have drawn on paper. You can also substitute Google eyes instead of this. Then 2 color pens. I have taken black and pink. You can also use red instead of pink. Then glue and then scissors. Okay, so let's start. So first you would need one paper. You have to, just like I am showing in this paper, you have to do the same with all the other sheets also. So take the paper. Now fold it in half. Then again fold it. Now open it and now from this corner fold it, even from here fold it, and then here and even here. Now from this side open up, even from here. Now turn the paper and fold this backwards. Okay. Now here you have a separation, right? So fold this, keep this inside and fold it. Even to this side you would need to fold it. Now open it like this and push this inside. Now fold it here, even here, so that it comes here in a square shape. Even do the same here. Okay, so just like this I've made 2 more pieces, so in all we'll have 3 pieces. Now out of these 3 pieces, take any one piece, keep the others aside. So I've drawn a small box on top of it, as you can see. Now using scissors you will need to cut it. Okay, so there's one piece like this, keep this aside. Bring in another piece. Now in this one I'm going to do some decoration. So for that I've taken 2 small strips of paper and drawn 2 small eyes on it, and I'm going to draw a small mouth for it using these color pens. You can do any similar decoration you like. So these are the 3 parts of our tissue box. So this is the first part. This is the second part, this is the third part. So while you're drawing the designs, you have to be a little careful. In any one piece, it should be in the front. So how to recognize which is the front part and all when we are arranging, I'll just be showing you the order. That time you'll get an idea. Okay, so let's start assembling this. So first you would need to take glue. Take some glue. In this box which we have made a hole on the top, there in the side you will need to apply glue and spread it even in this side. Okay, now into this which has no design or hole or anything, into this you need to insert it and stick this. You need to allow this to dry. So while it is drying, let's make the tissue paper ready. Okay, so I've taken one strip of crepe paper. If you don't have this type of paper, you can use tissue paper. And then from the edge, start folding it little by little till the end. At the end, little bit you will need to leave it as such. Now take the prepared box which we had stuck before. Make sure it has dried completely, and then through this hole you would need to take it out and keep this like this. Okay, now take the other part. Now in this, here there's a hole, right? Into that insert this. Even here, into this hole insert it. Okay, now just press all the edges. So you can just press here and all. So that's it, the tissue box is ready. I made one more similar box like this. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.